you've been watching my videos since the beginning, which is not long ago, I have 5, I almost said 4, but I have 5 subscribers, and I love my 4 subscribers. If you could subscribe, that would help me out a lot. Today, if you've been watching my videos, you have seen this bracelet. I was wearing this in like a little bit of my past videos, and it is really easy to make. And today, I'm going to show you how to make this. The things that you'll need for this project is any yarn. I recommend the super thin yarn, but not too thin, but just like the number 4 yarn, a pair of scissors, and a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. This is tiny. First, what you want to do is make a slip knot in your yarn. This looks so gross. You want to be able to leave a longish tail. Pull on this a little bit to make it smaller, and then stick your crochet hook in there and pull the yarn that's on the ball. Now you're going to hold the yarn. How you hold the yarn, some of you have used a crochet hook before and some of you have not. For those of you who have not, you're going to take you're gonna grab the yarn like this, open up your thumb, lift up this finger so it's like an L, and then put your finger under and over, and then grab the yarn on the crochet hook with your middle finger and your thumb. Now you're just going to chain. Depending on how long your wrist is, depending on how wide your wrist is, you're gonna have to chain more or less. If you somehow mess up, take it off and just pull the yarn on the ball, and it'll make a new loop for you to start over. Stick your hook in the loop, grab the yarn, and do exactly what you were doing. So, once you have chained enough to where you think it can wrap around your wrist, wrap it around your wrist. 1, 2. Now, take it off, cut, snip, cut a long piece of yarn off, like that. And now, take one more loop, but this time instead of pulling up another loop, you're gonna pull it all the way through, like that. Now, cut off some, but leave a little room. Now, take the 2 ends, tie a double knot. Tie a triple knot instead. Cut off some. Now, try it on. It should be way bigger than your wrist. So that's why you have to wrap it. Wrap it. It might be hard to get your whole hand through, but you'll eventually get it. Got it. Now, this one is way tighter than that one. So, that's how you make these amazing bracelets, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!